Hey guys, my name is Sean and I am the principal rep for Trailhouse Sales Group and Outdoor Element for the Southwestern United States. In this video, we're actually going to be going over the fire starting materials that are designed by Outdoor Element here. And we have a couple different things to look at so far. First off is the Fiberlight. Fiberlight is made here in the US and it is a wood fiber that is wax infused, so it will last an incredibly long time whether you are in dry or humid conditions. And it comes in 4 different sizes. You have this larger refill bag with a Fiberlight built into it that you can use to put in any one of these smaller containers here. Next size down, you've got this slightly larger than hockey puck size tin that your Fiberlight will come into. When you buy it, it comes held together and wrapped with a piece of recycled bike tube rubber here, and you take that guy off and you have all of your Fiberlight there in the tin. So you have that smaller tin. Next down, you actually have a square fire kit. And when you purchase this and you open it up, you're going to notice that it comes with this little device here. And what that is you actually have built into this, it is a nice, very small ferro rod on the spine there. And when you pull this clip off, you actually have a stainless steel edge on there. So as you break some of that away, and voila. Let's color that with that lid there. Let's snuff it out. I like to keep the plastic just to protect that from any sort of exposure to the outdoor elements. And you have our even smaller Fiberlight EDC fire kit here. So again, you've got Fiberlight built into this, and what will come with it will be that same striker in our smallest set. So you've got your smaller EDC fire kit, your medium-sized EDC fire kit. Fire kit basically means you'll actually come with the Fiberlight and a means to actually start it, versus just the Fiberlight itself is going to come in these medium and large or refillable bag options that you can buy through us or at your local retail store. In addition to the Fiberlight, we also have the Fire Tinder tabs and the Fire Tinder strips. Now what these are waxed infused cotton that come in the cylindrical tabs that are about 1.5 inches long by about 1/4 inch thick. These are great because these are going to give you about 4 to 5 minutes of burn time per Tinder tab. These fit directly into things like our fire flute here, which is hollow, so those are designed to fit right inside there. Going to protect them from the elements as well. And you also have, it will fit inside our wombat whistle, and it is also going to be greatly used inside the hollow handle of our Phoenix Talon that we talked about in our knife video. You also have these Fire Tinder strips. These are, again, the same idea. Rather than coming in a cylindrical roll, these are just long strips. These, again, are going to give you about 4 to 5 minutes of burn time. Both of these are great options for our EverSpark lighting tool that comes on a variety of our multi-tools and our knives, and also all the ferro rods that are available on our knife cases and other devices as well.